Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to form an LLC using two different methods. The first method is basically doing it on your own through 6 different steps. I'll be guiding you through each step and explaining everything you need to know about the process. As for the second method, it involves leaving all the heavy lifting to a professional organization like ZenBusiness. I'll be explaining what this company does and how it can make the process incredibly streamlined and hassle-free. So if you want to know more about LLCs and how to form them, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's get into it. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to check out ZenBusiness for yourself, you'll find a useful link in the description down below to help you save some extra money. Now, an LLC, or limited liability company, is a type of business structure that combines the benefits of a corporation and a partnership. It provides personal liability protection for you, the owner, known as a member, which means your personal assets are separate from the company's debts and liabilities. This shields you from being held personally responsible for the LLC's financial obligations. Also, an LLC offers flexibility in terms of management and taxation. It allows for a more informal and adaptive structure, making it easier for you to operate and manage your business. You can apply for an LLC through 2 different methods. The first method is going through the filing process yourself. Let me guide you through the whole thing. The first step is to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you select is unique and not already in use by another company. Each state has its own guidelines for naming an LLC, so it's important to check the business name database maintained by your Secretary of State. Also, avoid using names that can be easily confused with existing ones and certain words that may require additional paperwork, like bank or Inc. Moving on to step 2. You're going to need to choose the state in which you want to register your LLC. Typically, the best option is to go with your home state or the state where you conduct your business. Local lawyers are well versed in their home state's laws, government LLC formation, and operations. Having government offices nearby can also be advantageous for you, and if your business expands to other states, you'll need to register as a foreign LLC in those states. Now, the third step for forming an LLC is to get a registered agent. A registered agent is basically a person or business responsible for handling legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They serve as the point of contact for your business and receive important papers like regulation notices and legal filings. Depending on the state laws, your registered agent can be someone within your company or a professional service. They should have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. On to step 4, to officially establish your LLC, you must file articles of organization with the Secretary of State. This document, which may be called a Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization in some states, should include your LLC's name, designated registered agent, and management structure. There's typically a one-time filing fee that varies by state, ranging from $40 to $500. Once filed, it usually takes 3 to 7 days for processing. Upon approval, you'll receive a state certificate of organization. Moving on to step 5. While most states don't legally require it, having an operating agreement is crucial for an LLC. This document outlines your organization's structure, daily duties, and general rules. It clarifies the roles and responsibilities of LLC members, ownership percentages, profit distribution methods, and decision-making processes. An operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and should be updated whenever there are changes in membership or management. Step 6 is to file a BOI report with FINCEN. This is a new filing requirement that applies to all LLCs. You need to file a beneficial ownership report with FinCEN, which stands for Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, to disclose who owns 25% or more of your business. It's basically a disclosure filing, and the purpose of it is to reduce financial crimes with a higher level of transparency around business ownership. Starting January 1st, 2025, you'll have 30 days to file this report within the company's formation. This is a really important step to keep track of. And for the 7th and final step is to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN for short. It's basically like having a social security number for your business. An EIN is a 9-digit number assigned by the IRS for tax filing purposes. You'll need one if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, or pay business income taxes. The process of obtaining an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail through the IRS. Now, if all of this sounds like too much of a headache, you can always go with option 2, hiring a service to take care of your LLC for you. Though it may cost more money than doing it yourself, there are a lot of benefits to hiring a pro like ZenBusiness, which is one of the best LLC formation services out there. Their LLC service will take care of your formal application, get your EIN for you, create your operating agreement and terms, and even act as your registered agent. Now let me show you how to file for an LLC with the help of ZenBusiness. First, open your browser and go to ZenBusiness.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Get Started. Click on that button. First, you'll enter your business name and select your state of formation. When starting an LLC, you must choose the state where you want to officially form your business. To do this, ZenBusiness will show you a drop-down menu with all 50 states and the District of Columbia. Simply choose the state where your business will be based. Choosing your business name is an exciting step because your LLC name will represent your brand and identity. You'll want something unique and memorable to get started. Simply enter your desired business name into the text box. Next, you'll need to provide the main contact information for your LLC. This is typically the person responsible for managing communications for the business. So, it could be you, your partner, or someone else in charge. Next, you'll be asked to choose your experience level in the business and LLC field. This helps ZenBusiness tailor their services to your needs. Next, ZenBusiness will ask you to select how far along your business is. This helps them customize their services to your specific needs. Choosing the correct option helps ensure that ZenBusiness provides the most relevant support and tools based on where you are in the process. Next, ZenBusiness will ask you to select the type of business you're forming. You can select your industry from the pull-down menu. Now you'll need to select a registered agent for your business. A registered agent is a person or company designated to receive legal documents and government notices on behalf of your business. ZenBusiness offers the option to use their own registered agent service, which helps your business stay compliant with state registered agent regulations. The next step is to choose the service package that best fits your needs. ZenBusiness offers 3 different packages: Starter, Pro, and Premium. Each is designed to offer a range of features based on your business requirements. The Starter package is the most affordable option. For $0 plus state fees, ZenBusiness will file your LLC for you with their 100% accuracy guarantee. The Pro package is for those who need more support. The Pro package includes everything in the Starter package, plus our worry-free compliance service, an operating agreement template, employer identification number, and our fastest filing speed. The Premium package offers all the features of the Pro package, plus a business website, domain name with privacy protection, business email, business document template library, and premium support to ensure your business gets top-tier attention. Depending on what package you chose, you may be able to add additional services. We'll cover these next. As you move forward with your business, it's important to stay compliant with state regulations. That's where ZenBusiness's ongoing worry-free compliance service comes in. This service helps ensure that your LLC remains in good standing by taking care of important compliance tasks for you, like filing annual reports and tracking important deadlines. An employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business, and the IRS requires one for most LLCs, especially those with multiple owners or employees. Most banks require an EIN for opening a business bank account. Our EIN service gets your EIN for you so you don't have to deal with the IRS. ZenBusiness's business document templates library has over 25 frequently used documents. If you bundle this with your EIN, you'll get a discount. An operating agreement is a key document for your LLC. It outlines how your LLC will be managed, defines the roles of the members, and helps clarify the operating procedures for your business. ZenBusiness offers an operating agreement template so that you don't have to create this important document from scratch. Need your business set up fast? ZenBusiness's Rush Filing service prioritizes your filing. We can prepare your business formation paperwork to submit to the state within 1 business day. Before you complete your payment, it's time to double-check all the details you've provided about your business. Make sure everything is accurate. This is your chance to correct any mistakes before proceeding. To complete your registration and officially launch your new LLC, the next step is to create a strong and secure password for your ZenBusiness account. Once you've selected the services you need from ZenBusiness, you'll proceed to the payment stage. Here, you'll be asked to enter your payment details. ZenBusiness typically accepts credit cards, and there may be additional payment options available as well. After entering your information and confirming your order, you'll receive a confirmation of your payment. Congratulations! After completing your registration and payment, you can log into your account using your email and password. Your new LLC will be launched with the help of the ZenBusiness professional team, who will help ensure everything is set up correctly and efficiently. They'll take care of the details so you can focus on growing your business. So, there you have it, the 2 methods for applying for an LLC. The first involves going through the whole process yourself, and the second is filling out a 5-minute form with ZenBusiness and letting them do the work for you. That's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in ZenBusiness, you'll find all the useful links in the description down below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll do my best to respond to as many as I can.